Hi, I'm Mansi. So I'm doing this education series with Alan Truman on the science of hairstyling. In today's video, I'll be discussing some useful tips to use a curling wand. Do not style wet hair and always use the wand on dry hair. Use a heat protectant before using any heat appliances on your hair because it will protect your hair. Use the right type or size of the wand depending on the length or style you want to create. Start with the lowest temperature and gradually increase the heat as the hair desire. Section the hair depending on the style you want to create. First, I'm starting with the horizontal partition that gives volume to your hair. Hold the curling wand properly with the cold tips facing downwards. Always curl the hair away from your face. Hold the curl in your hand for about 5 seconds and let it cool for long lasting curl. And you can see a beautiful curl, guys. Now, just repeat the process with the rest of your hair. Second type of partition is vertical partition. It is better for a wavy look. You have to do the same procedure. Hold the curling wand properly with cold tips facing downwards and keep the curler away from your face, and then again hold the curl for like 5 seconds and then just let it go and repeat the process with the rest of your hair. At the end, just use a good amount of serum to give your curls some shiny effect, and pretty much of it, guys. Stay tuned for more such content and do not forget to like and share this video. Bye bye.